To design an eye-catching thumbnail, you need to learn about the things required for thumbnail creation. Elements for thumbnail creation. These are the elements required in the YouTube video's thumbnail. Resolution. The resolution of the thumbnail should be 1280 by 720 pixels. This is the ideal thumbnail resolution given by YouTube itself as of 2024. Aspect ratio. The aspect ratio of your thumbnail must be 16:9. Size. The size of your thumbnail must be under 2 megabytes. If it exceeds 2 megabytes, you will not be able to upload a thumbnail to YouTube. File. The file types supported in YouTube for thumbnails are JPG, PNG, and GIF. Tips for thumbnails. Here are some tips that will help you create clickable thumbnail. Using less text. Use less text in your thumbnail. The less text you use in your thumbnail, the more it will be interesting for your viewer. If you can create curiosity by adding fewer words in the thumbnail, you should do that. Here are some examples of these thumbnails. No fancy fonts. Don't use fancy fonts in your thumbnail. Since most of the YouTube viewers use mobile, so if you use fancy fonts, people will not be able to read it completely. So use simple bold fonts like Impact, Anton, and Bold, etc. Bold and bright colors. Use bold and bright colors in your thumbnail background and the text. Use colors like yellow, red, black, white, etc. Human interaction. Human interaction means including your own or some model's face in your thumbnails. A study says that if your thumbnail has a person in it, people are more likely to click it. Now that you know the tips and settings for thumbnail, I will show you how I generate thumbnails for my videos. Mostly I make my thumbnails using Canva or Photoshop, but when I want to make a thumbnail in a hurry, I use AI to make my thumbnail. To make a thumbnail using AI, first we need inspiration. For that, head over to YouTube and search for the title of your video. For example, I'm searching this. Then I will find a good-looking thumbnail. Then right-click on the thumbnail and click copy the image after that. Head over to ChatGPT and paste the thumbnail there. Then write this command, give me an image generation prompt for this thumbnail, and hit enter. Now copy this prompt and go to ideogram.ai. Here paste the prompt and set the aspect ratio to 16:9. Then click generate. And in a few seconds, your thumbnail will be generated. It gives you 4 results, you can choose any. And if you didn't like the generation, you can regenerate to get new results. Okay, we got these results, but I didn't like the results. So now let's change the prompt and try again. Head back to ChatGPT and type, improve the prompt for better results, and hit enter. It will improve the prompt. Copy it and go back to ideogram again. Now paste this new prompt and generate it again. We got these results. If you like any from here, it's good, but if you don't, repeat it. But since I didn't like this thumbnail, now I'm going to make a thumbnail manually, just like this one using Canva. So let's start. First open Canva, then click the Create a Design and search YouTube thumbnail and click it. Now first of all, we need the background. Let's see our example thumbnail. They used a dark background, so I will use the same. In Elements tab, search for dark backgrounds. I'm adding this background. Next is the face of AI Guy's avatar. For that, we will go to AI Guy's channel. Here, this thumbnail has his image. I will copy the video address and go to youtube-thumbnail-downloader.com. Now paste the address here and it will show me the full thumbnail of the video in HD quality. I will download this and open it in Canva. Now I will cut the face part and put it here. Then I will add a green-colored shadow to this image. Next up is the text. For that, click Titles in Canva and add this. Now I will type avatar like AI Guy. Now change the font of this text. I'm changing to Impact. Next up is the arrow and free icon image. I will search arrow in the Elements tab and add this arrow. And next is the free icon. Go to the Elements tab and search for free circle and add this image. And our thumbnail is done. Let's compare it to our example thumbnail. Pretty much the same, right? This is how you can make a thumbnail for your video using Canva. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.